What up, guys? It's a gorgeous, beautiful, sexy morning. Very, very beautiful. Like I told you yesterday, we are celebrating my birthday today. So Gilroy and I are getting some things for the house, like a propane tank for my new grill that Brittany and my family got me. And I am stuffy as hell. I think my nickname should be Stuffy Bastard. What's up, guys? It's your Stuffy Bastard. That's what I think that's my new thing. I told you guys we had to get stuff for the day. I don't know what to get though. Yeah, I do. Who am I kidding? I want that tropical stuff. Holy moly. Let's get a box of that. We're ready now, baby boy. We got the girly drinks and the island drinks. Yeah, guys, so my actual birthday's not till Wednesday, so you don't need to wish me happy birthday yet. And today's just like close friends, like my man Gil and family, mom and dad, stuff like that. Domino Dale. We're just gonna hang out, relax, enjoy this beautiful 85-degree day, which for Ohio, to get nothing but sunshine and 80, we enjoy it. We definitely take advantage of that situation. Oh my gosh, this is my cake? What happened?
Well, I didn't do it.
Oh man, I don't even know what to say. Is it still,
it'll look good.
Is it still edible?
Yeah.
We do it on the floor first.
We just ate it. Pieces of it.
See, that's a bad thing about messing things up on the vlogs. A couple 100,000 people get to see your mistake.
Oh no, okay.
Oh.
Yeah. We got it on there. Yes?
Figured it'd be.
It's not so bad.
Is that a yes or a nah? We made
It
it.
just needs to go that
Yes
way a
or
little bit.
no? It's fine.
Oh my gosh, don't press too hard. It's all crumbling.
I think there's supposed to be a man in the house that takes care of those.
I actually like hot dogs that are kind of burnt. So no worries.
Fantastic.
I'm just capturing everybody's flaws today on film.
There you go.
Brittany messed the cake up.
No,
You
no,
burned
these
hot dogs.
these are looking good.
You know what? It looks 10 times better. It's really coming alive.
Are you doing different colors?
I think you just dump it on there.
Yeah, 2 different colors.
Just dump it on there.
You tried that. Bring it on.
I tried,
Yeah,
but
the kids are gonna be high after eating that.
The middle
You on line duty?
I got this under control right here.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Lie, those are some big steaks.
Them are big steaks.
Holy moly, this is from your cow, right?
No,
Oh.
no.
Now wait, that is from Kane.
The Barbie wrapping?
That, yeah, he picked out the wrapping, but
Dude,
that
I'm-
gift is from Kane.
I'm raising some manly boys.
Yep.
Right here, look at this.
My boys
Wait,
picked me up.
where's
Terminator
Kane?
2 wrapper paper.
It's fine. Just open
Are you
it.
sure Kane it's not gonna... Oh, it's his toy. That was... Wow. I have the best kids on the planet.
You always did want one of those.
That
Ready?
cake looks amazing.
Was that 30?
I'm getting younger.
This is
Hold it real
3.
nice.
He's 3.
Oh. I expect a really good singing out of all of you. Alright?
Get in there with him.
You gonna help me ready? Happy birthday to you. That's nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rowan. Me. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Yay! Yay! Wow. So,
Look at that.
dude, this thing's a beast.
That's a nitro? Yeah, electric.
A
That's electric.
beast.
That's an elite.
So my brother always has all the cool stuff, the hobbies, the cool things, and he brought his giant new plane.
Yeah.
Probably.
I can't wait to see this
Let's
thing.
wreck it.
Hey, are you gonna be able to take off in the grass?
I'm planning on taking off in your gravel. I don't know.
Hey, are you excited?
Yeah.
You want to see that plane fly?
Yeah.
Me too. I think we should put a big piece of steak on the tail and see if Zeus can catch it. You have not flown this yet.
No.
Very first time.
Maiden flight, actually. The maiden voyage.
The maiden voyage. Here we go.
Anything could go wrong. Anything.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Look underneath.
Prop is gone, dude.
Prop not been busted.
There's a song.
Is this the impact? That looks like the impact right there.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like, I mean, honestly, from here it looks like he's smiling now. He's happy. Look, you see his little mouth?
Yeah, look at his eyes.
He looks happy now.
And his nose.
I can assure you it's not too happy right
Oh. So it turns out the controls were reversed when he took off. Not entirely your fault.
now. Not my fault at all.
You gotta check this out. This is Dale's airplane. Ready? Oh. Mom Atwood vlogs. There you go.
Everyone looks really cozy here.
Just relaxing. It's
Poor little buggy. We have to go it all over.
So since my birthday is also Memorial Day, we're gonna celebrate by shooting the Earth Shaker. This thing is huge, isn't it? That's like 4 times bigger than the ones we were shooting.
Yeah. It's powerful.
So all you do is shoot this, the 223 or high speed rifle, like 2,200 feet per second. And this thing will literally shake the house all the way from the back of my yard.
How do you
That's it. And we're gonna add a bag of flour just for fun. Dude, I'd love to see the factory that makes this stuff.
No doubt.
All right, so you pour, is that aluminum?
I think it's aluminum.
Aluminum oxide or something. I don't know.
Mix it up.
Now you just shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, you can smell it.
Look, Dad.
All right, let's walk it back. Okay. That's it. I don't know how smart this is, but I'm gonna put a GoPro right here. So hopefully we get to see some action. Come on, Zeus, you gotta go in the garage. Okay. It's a 223 round right here. Yeah.
That was ricochet.
I can't hear anything, dude.
Stone fell off the house.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. It came pretty far up. Oh, look.
Where's my GoPro?
That's one way to mow grass.
Oh, you got it? No way.
Look at all the leaves.
No way. Dude. Let me see the GoPro. Looks good.
All things okay. No fire, no left.
See?
Watch out, Kane.
We're making our own hot air balloon. Cane rad.
There she goes.
Dude, that's rad.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Still not enough heat.
On a hot day, it's harder.
Yeah, it is. There she goes.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
This isn't my planned exit.
Well, this area doesn't look too bad, but everybody just left, and it was a great, fun family day. But I think our house is in shambles now. It's all right. We can get it cleaned up. I'm just looking over the rail, and this is what I see. Alright guys, what's up? I have just skipped to the current day. So right now this is current day because I wanted the vlog to have a full 24 hours before I picked a winner. Just so everybody knows, everybody's like, well, what about the first guy that commented or the last guy that commented? To make it perfectly fair, these comments are completely shuffled up. As you can see, one comment can be from 16 hours ago. One can be from a day ago. One can be an hour ago. 9 minutes ago. Now before I do this, I want nothing but love and congratulations to whoever wins. I don't want no hate. I'm going to do a lot of giveaways. You have more chances. But this is just a crazy way to give this sucker away. And I want everybody to be supportive and have fun with this. If you lose, oh well, you're not out anything. So let's do this right now. I'm going to scroll until one name lights up like that. Alright? If the name doesn't light up, we keep scrolling. This is going to be so painful to watch. Kane, you want to watch? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Okay, wherever the cursor lands, that's who wins the PlayStation, okay? Yeah. Yeah, here we go. I'm so nervous. When to stop, Kane? Tell me when.
Yeah.
Oh, so close, Patrick. So close to Patrick. Let's keep moving. Tell me when to...
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry it did not light your name up. It didn't. Here we go. We have to keep moving. Oh, we got a winner. 3. It lit the name up 6 minutes ago. Oh my God, it's the luckiest person on the planet. Okay, let's see if you liked the prank.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. And he liked the prank. There it is. We have a winner. And he's definitely a fan. He likes a lot of vlogs. There's our winner.
No,
Mr.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, who is that? Is that Mommy?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
We got a winner. Brack. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know how to say your name, but you won. The cursor landed on your name. Not only did it land on your name, but you also actually liked the stealing the gas prank, and that was the prank that got me to give this PlayStation away. So thank you so much, and it looks like you like a lot of my videos. So you won, dude. And everybody else, oh, there were so many that the cursor just was like almost touched your name. I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Kane, should this guy get the PlayStation?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it here, folks. Alright, Eric, I'm sending you a message right now. You just need to reply to me. You won. Eric, I'm going to write it out. Alright, guys, there's our winner. Thank you for participating. We are definitely doing a lot of these. I'm actually thinking about doing another contest tomorrow. So, everybody has a chance to win a lot. We're gonna do a lot more of these. Thanks for hanging out. It was so fun. So much stress. I want to give everybody something, but I can't. It's the way it has to be. We found a winner, and thank you guys for 800,000 comments. Absolutely mind-blowing. So let's do another contest. What do you guys want me to give away next? That's what you got to comment today. What do you want to give away next? Something around the same price range or lower. It can be less. A lot of you last time wanted like a Skype call with my family. Let me know what you want. Everybody congratulate Eric. It's fair. It's always fair. Always fair. Now hopefully the shipping isn't too crazy, because I know on YouTube somebody can live anywhere in the world. So I might spend as much on shipping as I did the whole PlayStation. Alright, I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. No hate. Let's keep doing contests. Give you a chance to win. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Smile more. Pick it up. This place is pretty awesome, man. I love it.